それではアンモピックのハビエルさんにお話をお伺いしてまいります。早速ですけれども、こちらのブースの製品サービスについてご説明をお願いします。
Hello, Anmopyc is the Spanish Association of Construction and Mining Equipment, which was established in 1982. We have at the moment more than 120 companies. These are the names of the companies that manufacture the products. The products that we manufacture are related to road construction equipment. We have also earth-moving equipment, components and spare parts, aggregates and mining, and also we have auxiliary equipment like this one, okay, and concrete. The main purpose of the association is to promote the products abroad, and we do so attending to international trade shows and also organizing trade missions all over the world.
それではただいまご説明いただきました製品はどのような方が利用対象か教えてください。
The products that our companies manufacture, they try to sell them through distributors, okay, and also companies which manufacture equipment, since we have many companies which manufactures components, okay, so they are trying to look for importers and distributors of construction equipment.
ということでただいまのお時間はアンモピックのブースにお伺いしました。ありがとうございました。